Hi everybody, George Weber here, gWebberArts.com, and I'm making a quick video here about this. I just picked this up today. This is a tool set by DeWalt, and for the July 4th weekend they were having a great special. It's a 5-tool set including a couple of batteries and a charger, and for a total of $299. That's cheap. And we're gonna pop this open and take a look at what we got. All right, so I'm gonna set up the camera real quick and then we'll start opening this up and see what we have. All right, okay, here we go. We're gonna open this up and take a look. Start by popping the tape here real quick. Just like that. Put this way over here. Alright. Okay, look at this. First thing out, it all comes in a nice carry bag, contractor's bag. That's pretty nice. These contractor bags are not cheap, I can tell you that. Granted, they're not the most expensive thing in the world, but they're not inexpensive either. Okay, let's see, what do we got here? Alright. DeWalt flashlight. Multi-angle head. Has a little catch handle so you can hang it up, whatever. Looks like it has some little plug-in kind of thing over on the side there, although I can't tell what. Maybe that's for another strap or something. Anyways, this is all the 20-volt max system, and as some of you guys may recall, I got a couple of months back, I got a DeWalt miter saw based on the 20-volt system, and since then I've been looking for sets of DeWalt tools that are on sale, like this one. And this one just about completes what I need to have a nice setup for working on whatever I want to work on. Here we have the 20-volt max impact driver. This is a pretty neat little unit, little impact driver. That's cool. Instruction booklet, obviously. What do we got over here? Oh, here we go. Picking this up. More instruction booklets. Charger. Got the charger there. We have a 20-volt max lithium ion, and I think this is the 3 amp hour. I'm not sure. I can't remember which one this size is. And also one of the much bigger 20-volt max lithium ion batteries. I can tell you these have a lot of power in them. They hold a charge for quite a while. My oscillating multi-tool ran all day long using one of these battery packs. So I can tell you that's a good battery pack there. And then we've got, oh yeah, a big beastie. Reciprocating saw. Very nice. That's a monster right there. Nice reciprocating saw. That'll be very nice to have. And here we have compact drill. This is nice. I've got one of my I have an old 14 volt DeWalt drill that served me very well. The 14 volt system worked pretty well, but these 20 volt max systems are even better, and the batteries are so interchangeable over so many tools. I've been looking at replacing my old drill, and this package had one, so I was like, that's what I've been looking for. And over here we've got the circular saw. Nice DeWalt 20 volt max again, circular saw. I believe that's 7-inch blade, if I remember correctly. And then in the bottom we have a piece of cardboard. That doesn't matter. Inside of here, accessories. Do not throw away. Very important. Don't throw this away. Do, however, open it carefully because we have a 7-inch saw blade, or maybe 6.5. Okay, 6.5 inch. That's more than enough saw blade for my use. And that's it. Okay, so that's everything in that box. And bag has lots of little pockets inside. There's a bunch of pockets outside, also very nice. Yep. Lots of pockets outside for little tools and accessories, little hand pieces. So again, we've got 6.5 inch blade on the circular saw. We've got the compact drill. We've got the impact. We've got the flashlight, which is high-powered LED, I'm sure. 2 battery packs. Charger. I've got a few other chargers just like this. And we've got the Sawzall. Fantastic tool set. I think this is an absolute bargain at $299. Given that it was originally listed for a little over $399. I forget the exact number, but it was right around that. So getting another $100 off. And if you've bought any of these batteries, you know these are expensive. You know that most of these tools are expensive. This is the most inexpensive piece in the entire bag. And so, you know, there's $100 easy. This is $100 easy. These are close to $100 each. Maybe that one's a little cheaper. This one's closer to about 40 something. These big battery packs with charger I know are 100 and some odd. So 1, 2, 3, 4, almost $500 easily, you know, if you were to buy all this stuff independently. So again, Home Depot 4th of July sale. By now, because I'm posting this video, it's probably over. They may still have a few left on the special. And again, I'm really in love with this 20 volt max system. It works really well. So I just wanted to show you this stuff and let you know that the 20 volt max system is out there. DeWalt is making a lot of effort to get people to buy into it by putting up sets like this on sale, not just on holidays, but you know, very frequently I'll see assorted sets that they're putting up for sale, or my angle grinder. I paid $119 for a charger and a battery pack like this, and the angle grinder was free. $119 bare tool, not a cent, not 1 cent. I paid $119 for the battery and charger and got the tool for free. So that's a good deal. That, you know, that's the kind of stuff that DeWalt is doing to get people into this 20-volt max system. All right, so that's about it. I'm going to wrap this up and just swing the camera around here for a second. So I'll see you guys later, and I hope you like DeWalt tools, because I know I do. And again, Home Depot has been putting out, in coordination with DeWalt, I think Lowe's has some deals too, but I see a lot of it at Home Depot, these great, you know, package deals. All right, see you later, and I hope you'll subscribe to my video channel, and yeah, that's about it. Bye.